In Vietnam's Mekong Delta, a landscape shaped by winding rivers and endless green, rice farming is more than just a livelihood. It's a way of life that has sustained communities for centuries. Today, a quiet revolution is transforming these ancient fields, blending tradition with innovation to meet the challenges of a changing world. For generations, these paddies have been the heart of Vietnamese culture and sustenance, feeding millions and shaping the nation's identity. But traditional methods, while rich in heritage, have hidden environmental costs like excessive water use and greenhouse gas emissions. Now, local farmers are leading a global shift, adopting innovative techniques that not only heal the atmosphere but also improve yields and livelihoods. In An Giang province, they're pioneering a certified large-scale project to cut emissions from rice cultivation, setting an example for the entire region. This isn't just about water management, it's a new way of thinking. Farming in harmony with nature, protecting wildlife and preserving the land for future generations. Their success is inspiring a worldwide movement for sustainable, climate-friendly agriculture, drawing attention from experts and farmers across the globe. These farmers prove that when innovation and tradition unite, communities can fight climate change, protect their heritage and secure a brighter, more resilient future for all. Flooded rice paddies have long symbolized abundance, providing food and livelihoods for millions across Vietnam and much of Asia. These vibrant green fields are a testament to the region's agricultural heritage and the hard work of generations of farmers. But beneath the surface, these paddies also produce methane, a powerful greenhouse gas that traps heat in the atmosphere far more effectively than carbon dioxide. In fact, wet rice farming is the world's second largest agricultural source of methane, right after livestock. This means rice cultivation plays a significant role in global climate change, even as it feeds billions. The solution? Alternate wetting and drying, or AWD, a simple yet innovative water management technique that's gaining ground in Vietnam. By letting fields dry out between floods, farmers disrupt the methane-producing microbes that thrive in constantly wet conditions, reducing emissions at the source. This simple shift has already cut methane emissions in An Giang by an impressive 47%, showing that big results can come from small changes in practice. Farmers also use up to 35% less water, an essential benefit in a region where water scarcity is becoming a growing concern due to climate change and population growth. Despite these changes, rice yields remain strong and reliable, proving that environmental and agricultural goals can truly align for a more sustainable future. AWD is accessible, affordable and effective, empowering farmers to turn their rice fields into powerful climate solutions while maintaining their livelihoods. Today, An Giang's paddies stand as a shining example, showing the world how small, smart changes can make a big impact for people and the planet. The benefits go beyond cleaner air and water. Farmers now earn carbon credits for cutting emissions. These credits, verified by organizations like Vera, are sold to companies seeking to offset their carbon footprints. And Giang's project is the world's first rice initiative certified under Vera's new standard. This brings real, measurable value to sustainable farming. The extra income rewards farmers for their climate action and encourages wider adoption. From 2025 to 2032, the project could generate 4 million credits, preventing nearly 600,000 tons of CO2 emissions each year. Sustainable farming is now more profitable, securing livelihoods and the planet. The An Giang project thrives on international collaboration. Green Carbon Inc. from Japan led the project's development and certification. Loc Troy Group, a top Vietnamese agricultural company, organized and trained farmers in AWD. The Mekong Delta Rice Research Institute provided scientific expertise, while Dai Thanh companies supplied smart farming technology. This alliance bridges global standards with local realities, blending investment, science and technology. Their teamwork sets a model for climate action, showing that partnerships can drive real change. Together, they've built a foundation for scaling up sustainable rice farming worldwide. The An Giang project is more than just a local initiative. It's a blueprint for sustainable agriculture everywhere, offering hope for communities facing climate challenges. With millions of hectares of rice paddies stretching across the Mekong Delta, the potential for positive climate impact is enormous. These fields are not only vital for food security, but also for the health of our planet. By empowering farmers as climate stewards, we transform agriculture into a solution, not a problem. Farmers are adopting new techniques that reduce emissions and protect the land for future generations. The model, rewarding environmental responsibility with economic gain, creates a cycle of prosperity and sustainability. When farmers see tangible benefits, they are inspired to continue these practices. Lessons from Vietnam can guide rice farmers across Asia, Africa, and Latin America, helping them adapt to climate change while improving their livelihoods. The project proves that carbon credits are achievable for smallholders, making global food systems more resilient and opening new opportunities for rural communities. Vietnam's rice farmers show that ancient traditions and modern needs can work together, blending wisdom from the past with innovation for a healthier planet. The seeds of change in An Giang are growing into a global harvest of sustainability, inspiring hope for a brighter, greener future for all.